2021, it is easy to realize what are the current trends in the information and communication technology or ICT. Our daily routine thrives with these technologies, thus improving our access to different aspects of life. Think about the convenience of online food delivery, online shopping, online banking, and ATMs. The advantages of gadgets and internet at school and work. The entertainment with Netflix, YouTube, and TikTok. The benefits of sharing your life to the world via Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other social media platforms. And the free chats on Messenger and the like. All of these belong to the current trends in ICT. Information and Communication Technology, or ICT, is defined by UNESCO as the diverse set of technological tools and resources used to transmit, store, create, share, or exchange information. These technological tools and resources include computers, the internet, website, blogs, and emails, live broadcasting technologies, radio, television, and webcasting, recorded broadcasting technologies, podcasting, audio and video players and storage devices, and telephony, fixed or mobile satellite, visual or video conferencing, and etc. ICT is an industry on the rise, and business structure, job growth, and emerging technology will all shift in the coming years. Current trends are improving and presenting new functions in the fields like medicine, entertainment, business, education, marketing, law enforcement, and more. Still, other much anticipated technology is only now coming on the scene. Let us have a look at the current trends in ICT. First, convergence. Convergence is a process whereby discrete elements come together to unite and produce a single system. Convergence occurred when digital media, telecommunications, and computer technologies merged to produce ICT. For example, besides using your personal computer to create Word documents, you can now use your smartphone. It can also use cloud technologies to sync files from one device to another while using LTE technology, which means you can access your files anytime, anywhere. Convergence is using several technologies to accomplish a task conveniently. Second, social media. Social media is a website, application, or online channel that enables web users to create, co-create, discuss, modify, and exchange user-generated content. Social media enable human relationships through technology. In other words, social media are the media for social interaction. The two most visible applications of social media are the building and consolidation of friendships among youngsters, and the building of networks for career development. Third, mobile technologies. Mobile technology is technology that goes where the user goes. It consists of portable two-way communication devices, computing devices, and the networking technology that connects them. Currently, mobile technology is typified by internet-enabled devices like smartphones, tablets, and watches. These are the latest in the progression that includes two-way pagers, notebook computers, mobile telephones or flip phones, GPS navigation devices, and more. The communications networks that connect these devices are loosely termed wireless technologies. They enable mobile devices to share voice, data, and applications, or mobile apps. Mobile technology is pervasive and growing. The number of smartphone users has climbed beyond 3 billion, and the global mobile workforce is expected to reach 1.87 billion by 2022. Fourth, assistive media. Assistive media is a non-profit service designed to help assist people who have visual and reading impairments. A database of audio recordings is used to read to the user. Mainstreaming learners with disability in education is an advantage of this ICT trend and development. During the COVID-19 pandemic, information and communication technologies are playing a crucial role in keeping our society functional in a time of lockdowns and quarantines. ICT may have a long-lasting impact beyond COVID-19. Here are other trends that can help build a resilient society, as well as considerations about their effects on how do we do business, how we trade, how we work, how we produce goods, how we learn, how we seek medical services, and how we entertain ourselves. Online shopping and deliveries. COVID-19 has transformed online shopping from a nice to have to a must have around the world. With the use of social media, text messaging, and phone call, essential goods and food orders are accessible to those who wanted their needs to be delivered without exposing to the danger of the virus. This convenient method is helping drivers and small businesses to profit and grow. Digital and contactless payments. Cash might carry the virus, so central banks in China, US, and South Korea have implemented various measures to ensure banknotes are clean before they go into circulation. Now, contactless digital payments, either in a form of cards or e-wallets, are the recommended payment method to avoid the spread of COVID-19. Digital payments enable people to make online purchases and payments of goods, services, and even utility payments. Distance learning and remote work. As of mid-April, 191 countries, including the Philippines, announced or implemented school or university closures, impacting 1.57 billion students. Many educational institutions started offering courses online to ensure education was not disrupted by quarantine measures. Technologies involved in distance learning are like those for remote work and also include virtual reality, augmented reality, video lessons, and online classrooms. Many companies have asked employees to work from home. Remote work is enabled by technologies including virtual private networks, voice over internet protocols, virtual meetings, cloud technology, work collaboration tools, and even facial recognition technologies that enable a person to appear before a virtual background to preserve the privacy of the home. In addition to preventing the spread of viruses, remote work also saves commute time and provides more flexibility. Telehealth. Telehealth can be an effective way to contain the spread of COVID-19 while still providing essential primary care. Wearable personal IoT devices can track vital signs. Chatbots can make initial diagnosis based on symptoms identified by patients. Online entertainment. Although quarantine measures have reduced in-person interaction significantly, human creativity has brought the party online. Online streaming of concerts have gained traction around the world. Film production companies also released films online. Museums and international heritage sites offer virtual tours. There has also been a surge of online gaming traffic since the outbreak. COVID-19 has demonstrated the importance of digital readiness, which allows education, business, and life to continue as usual, as much as possible during pandemic. So, what now? As an educator, I realized that ICT can easily be defined as the use of our gadgets to easily learn, communicate, and absorb information. And ICT should be maximized to aid our students learn better. We should be moving together on the challenge of how to use ICT smartly to improve learning. For us teachers, we should embrace these innovations and believe that we can learn and apply them to start creating those interesting lessons for our students. What is holding us back? There are lots of ways and support around us. Only when we make the first step of breaking free from the fear of unfamiliar technologies that we can move forward and make an exciting and better ways of teaching. If we could do that, we all have a brighter future.